Hey everyone, it's Everett from Vita Inclinata. Today I want to go through the proper installation of a rigid rescue litter onto the VRS-LA with the quick clamps. So first thing you need to do is ensure that your VRS is all the way deployed in the full open position, which is what you always want when you're using a rescue litter. Secondly, you want to make sure that your clamps are unlocked and open, ready for the system. Now, when we store the system, we put the clamps down and we close the locking handle. So to get ready to put a litter on, simply unlock the handle and spin the clamp up, okay? So we'll grab our litter, and one thing to note is that we want to have installed previously the sleeves that correspond to the quick clamps. If you need guidance on how to get that done, there's another video where I go through the installation of the sleeves. That'll be linked below. But make sure that you've got 4 sleeves included and installed on your litter, and then also make sure that the head of your litter is oriented towards the end of the system with the red strap. Red head makes it easy to remember. So I'll grab my litter and simply place it on the VRS, making sure that the clamps and sleeves are united together. Then I want to make sure that the system is equidistant on either end. We don't want it too far one side or the other. So about equal, then we simply start closing up those handles. Every time we close a handle, make sure you hear and listen for that audible click. And one more click, and we're ready to go. Now, with all 4 installed and locked, the system and litter are securely hooked together. Now we add rescue bridles to hook to the helicopter hoist, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.